Hi, I'm David, and welcome back to Baking Unafraid. This week we are in California. Yeah! And I have a special guest with me.
Hi, I'm Carrie.
Hey, Carrie!
Hey, David.
So, I have an idea for this weekend.
What is your idea?
Do you want to go to Disneyland?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, but how are we going to get there?
I don't know. I feel like we need some magic or pixie dust or something. Do you know what could work?
I think I got an idea.
Oh my God, we're here!
We're here! We did it!
How did you do that?
Magic.
Oh my gosh!
This is gonna be so much fun.
So what should we do first?
I think we should go ride rides.
I think that's a great idea.
All right, let's go.
We are eating Mickey beignets. Okay, let's open them up. Let's see.
What is inside? Oh my goodness. Smell delicious.
Let's see that. Look at that.
This is Mickey Mouse shaped beignet. These smell delicious.
Ready?
Ready? Let's try them.
Cheers.
Cheers.
These are really good.
These are so good.
This is better than a donut, and it's Mickey shaped, so it's super adorable.
I just ate Mickey's ears though.
Carrie,
What's up, David?
what's the one thing you can't go to Disneyland without getting?
I don't know what.
A churro!
Churro!
It's churro time!
Churro season!
Just
Best friend, churro friends.
try it. I've never had one before.
Put it in our mouth.
Okay. Oh my God.
Nice and crunchy.
Really crisp.
Cinnamony.
And it's a perfect weapon.
I will put my churro in your face.
Stop. Musket. Try something new.
We got this off the secret menu. It's called the Neverland Tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
There's definitely pixie
This
dust
is-
in here.
We're gonna go far, far away, and well, I'll let you know if I find Tinkerbell.
Okay, see you at the second star.
See you.
Carrie, that was so much fun.
So much fun.
Oh my God, we have to do it again.
We've got to do it again soon. All that food was delicious.
All those rides were amazing.
All those rides, everything about it. What was your favorite ride?
Oh my gosh, I would have to say Space Mountain. What was yours?
Definitely Guardians of the Galaxy, even though I thought I was going to pee my pants.
It was really scary.
It was intense.
So, out of all the things we ate, what was your favorite food?
The beignet. I'm gonna be dreaming about those until I come back next time.
Definitely. So, the challenge we have for you all is I want you to pick your favorite thing that we ate and recreate it on Baking Unafraid.
So definitely pick the beignets so I can go visit him and eat them. David is amazing. David's gonna choose the best thing to bake for your eyes and hopefully your stomach.
Carrie, it was so great to have you on this week's episode.
Thank you for having me. It was such a pleasure to join in and be a part of this.
Don't forget to bake unafraid.
And be you.
And we just finished our Neverland tea.
It's
And let me tell you how all the fairies that are here right now with me.
Hi, I'm Carrie.
Carrie is my best friend from
I didn't even mean to do. God, I feel like I'm ruining it.
Hi, I'm David, and welcome back to a special episode of Like, y'all, I can't make this up. There are some chickens.
I forgot we gotta